Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up ALLYAG Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. In the first step, plug the ALLYAG Wi-Fi Extender into a wall power outlet near your router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. Tip: keep the extender within 10 to 15 feet of the router during setup. Look at your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. It is usually labeled WPS or has a 2 circular arrows icon. The button may be located on the front, side, or back of the router depending on the router model. Press the WPS button on your router. After pressing it, the WPS indicator light on the router will start blinking. This means the router is ready to connect to new devices. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the ALLYAG extender. The WPS indicator LED will start blinking. Wait about 30 to 90 seconds. During this time, the extender automatically detects your router, copies the Wi-Fi name and password, or connects to the network. After a minute, check the LEDs. You should see solid green or blue light means successfully connected, or signal light bars means shows signal strength. If the LED becomes stable, the setup is complete. Once the connection is completed, unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Look for the extender's Wi-Fi network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Tap Connect. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.